Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure, let's create a simple Python calculator program using a class. This program will be able to perform basic arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Here's a step-by-step tutorial along with the code example. Explanation. We define a calculator class with an __init___ method, which serves as the constructor to initialize the calculator. The class includes methods, add, subtract, multiply, divide, to perform basic arithmetic operations. The main function creates an instance of the calculator class, gets user input for two numbers, and then calls the calculator methods to perform calculations. The results are displayed to the user. The if ___name ___= __main ___ block ensures that the main function is only executed if the script is run directly, not imported as a module. You can run this script, enter two numbers, and see the results of the basic arithmetic operations. Feel free to expand upon this program by adding more functionality or improving the user interface. ChatGPT.